Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display total product quantity count in invoice email in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in admin order detail, and then you see order auction. Now select, and then you see send order detail to customer. So we are going to send total product quantity for customer invoice. So when we select send order detail to customer and then click on update, so total product quantity count will also display in customer email, customer invoice. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview, and you will find all code in video description or in comment section. And then you see total product quantity, so you can add text according to your requirement. So we are going to display total product quantity in customer invoice, and then scroll down, you see insert method auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to edit order and refresh the page, and then scroll down. Now you see total product quantity 3111, and then select order action. Now click on it, and then select customer invoice, send order detail to customer, and then click on update. So after that we are going to check Gmail or email, and then you see order updated and sent. Now go to email to check. So we are in email, and then you see time 0 minute ago, and then you see quantity 3, you see total product quantity 3. So this is our customer invoice, we send it. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.